What is up, everyone? This is Motutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix we couldn't complete the updates undoing changes in Windows error that you may be getting. So this error usually pops up when you install an update, and it's essentially whatever update you installed is just not actually, because you have to restart your computer to initialize these changes, and for some reason it's not working. It just starts undoing the changes and you kind of freeze. So there's two solutions, or there's a couple of solutions, but there's two routes to go. If for whatever reason you can't even go back to your Windows screen like I'm in, because they happened to me as well and I was able to resolve it, you might have to press F10 escape, F11 F9. It depends on your computer. Where basically you're gonna have to go into BIOS and either repair your Windows from there or get into safe mode and boot it from that perspective. I can make another tutorial on that, but this is more so if you can, like me, it undid the changes and it said login. It just took a very long time, but it lets you do it. But then it kept basically giving this error. So the first thing you can do is you can go to MS. So in the search bar, you're gonna write msconfig, and system configuration is gonna pop up. In boot, we're going to basically press safe boot, and we're going to basically press OK, apply, and then restart your computer. This should theoretically then be able to resolve your issue when you're trying to install it. It should basically do it in safe mode, and you should be good to go. If for whatever reason this still doesn't work, we're going to go into program and updates. Let's see if this, or let's go from control panel, because it's easier to see over here. So, programs and features. That was the one I was looking for. And in here, we're going to look for view installed updates. So we're going to basically look at all installed Windows updates. And in here, basically the latest update version that was installed, you want to kind of uninstall that, because that's the problem child, right? So you want to uninstall that, specifically whatever Windows update it was. If you want to uninstall like all of them, that's fine. There might be a lot, but you want to explicitly uninstall the Windows updates and then let it reinstall, because that's the one that's giving you the problem. And then reinstall it and try again. Or in safe mode, try to update your Windows again from there. These two solutions, at least if you can log back in, should fix it. Like I said, if you can't even come back to the screen, I can make a separate video for that. That's basically, you're gonna have to get into your either like your BIOS or your safe mode from the computers when it's booting up itself. There's a lot of different ways. It's either escape or F2 or F9 or F10 or F11 or 12. It can be a different combination. I'm not sure. Like for me, I think it's F11. It just varies per computer, per BIOS, per motherboard, per computer, etc., etc. Like system, whoever made it, all that other good stuff. So it kind of does vary per that. So yeah, that's basically it. Just wanted to kind of show you these quick tutorials and tips on how to do it and how to essentially fix this error. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button. Helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And that more tutorials out. Peace.